Hey guys, how you guys doing? I am fine. Let me show you my friend. My friend is an ostrich. Oh, my friend is running away. Anyway, I captured her already. So I want to show you guys my. I want to do a room tour for all of you guys. Oh, my friend is calling me. Hey, I'm in Monze. It's lovely. It is very lovely. Let me show you. Where is that bed? At our family safari. It's beautiful. Ndole Bay. Look, have you seen that? It's an ostrich. I've never been to Ndole Bay. Don't say that. And it's looking at me. Don't say that. I've heard from people that hey, it's just me. I've never been to Ndole Bay, but we should go to Ndole Bay anyway. It's very far. Guys, so this is like the outside of the room. Oh, the ostriches are chasing each other. So there is my ride, there's another ride, and that's the owner, I think. So I'm gonna do a room tour for you guys. Like I really love my room, so I'm sleeping next to the ostriches. There are zebras here, so I'm gonna do a game walk, something like that. I don't know what you call it, but anyway, let me show you my room. Oh Jesus! So this is where I'm staying. This is my room, veranda, and these are my keys, veranda as well. So welcome. I'm sorry, I did not close the door. Apologies. Yeah. So when you enter, you're welcomed by that fridge. Mhm. So this is the bed. How amazing! So this is a bed. I'm gonna be crashing here today, and then from the bed we have we have that remote. There are no portraits in here. The remote is for the aircon, so there's a window there. Oh look! That's an ostrich. Oh, that's an ostrich, yeah. So there's a bed, side tables, and a Bible. Hey? And a Bible, guys. So here there are rules. I think in every home there are rules. So check-in time, check-in, check-in time is after 12 hours. Kindly complete the guest registration form upon. Okay, I've already done that. Departure, checkout is 10 hours. Please inform the reception if you wish to return your room beyond this time. Okay. Then this is a non-smoking zone. All right. The meals, breakfast will be served as complimentary from 7 hours to 9 hours and will be served at the restaurant. Okay, so I've already made arrangements for that. Pets and hazardous items, goods, pets and okay, are not allowed here. Yeah. So animal on the premises. Okay, there are a lot of animals, guys. Animals around the premises have a right of way. Yeah, they told me that, and you should respect them. Please do not feed, threaten, or hit. Okay. Damage of property, guess will be okay. We know that. Photographs and videos. Using photographs and video taken at family hotels for commercial or public purposes is illegal. Yeah. Those who do so will be subject to persecution. Great. Management rights. It is agreed that the guest will conduct him or herself in a respectable manner and will not cause any nuisance or annoyance within family safari premises to the staff. Karibu! I think Karibu means welcome. So I have a Bible here. I have my small bag. They actually give you an extra blankie. Those are my shoes. We have a TV here. We have an aircon there, and they actually give you a hanger in case you have a jacket, you have a suit or whatever. And there's a table here. Don't mind what's going on there because the girl is already in a holiday mood. Yeah. So I have my laptop here in case I have to work. I have my tablet and I have my jersey in here because I didn't want to carry a big bag. And then I have my whiskey, and this is the wrap that I got in the morning. I have a speaker here, and this is kudu meat. So they have kudu here. They actually have kudu here. That's kudu meat that they gave me, and I'm gonna put the clip right here. It tastes like beef.
That's the same as beef, but say bush meat.
Ah,
Yeah. Not big one.
they are here.
Yeah, that's fine. So,
It looks black, but it's very tender. Like I love it. It tastes like somehow like goat meat, somehow like beef, but it's really beef. If you've tasted the meat was actually tender and oh, that's my tripod stand. We have another window here. Oh, that's another room. It's called Bubala. Mine is Bolanda. Anyway, and we have a fridge. They actually gave me a bottle of water. We have the tea bag, sugar, and the kettle. And then this is super clean. That's my water. And then coming to the bedroom. Oh, okay. We also have the bean. And I think that's for mosquitoes because they told me there are a lot of mosquitoes. Luckily, I got mosquito repellent with me. So there's a tree and a, what is that? An elephant. Yeah. And ta-da! Here there's a hand basin. This is a bathroom, so there's a hand basin here. And there's a mirror there. Hello. Okay. There's a mirror there. And there's a toilet there. Some toilet paper. A towel here for, oh, it's family safari. They even put their number there in case it's lost, eh? You find it and you call them. And there's a shower here. So that is hot water, cold water, and there's soap. Oh, there is soap. Actually, I have mine super clean, right? Yeah, I know. Super clean. So this room is actually 550 kwacha. How much is 550 kwacha in dollars? I'm gonna ask Siri. Hi Siri. How much is 550 kwacha in dollars?
550 Zambian kwacha is equivalent to about 32.31 US dollars.
Thank you, Siri. So that's about $32. My lips are dry. That's about $32 for this room. I think it's not bad. I don't know what you guys think, but I think it's not bad. Yeah, it's not. Mm. So, anywho, if you want to come here, this place is in Monze. It's just along Livingstone Road. I think this is Livingstone Road. It's just along Livingstone Road. So now I'm gonna sit, edit a bit, and then I'm gonna drive back to town, do a video for you guys maybe, but I'm going to look for a toothbrush. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. If you think this room is worth $32, please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. If you still think this room isn't worth $32, please leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys think. Otherwise, I love it. And yeah, so I think I'm gonna do a walk tomorrow around the place and show you guys the place, the activities that you can do here, because I've already seen by the restaurant there's actually a swimming pool. There's nice food, there's, yeah. So tomorrow they're gonna give me one tour guide, so that the one that can show me around. Jeez, what am I even saying? Yeah, so they're gonna give me a tour guide to walk me around the place, because there are zebras here. I hear there are lions also. I would really love to see lions. And there are ostriches. Ostriches are like all over, and peacocks and ducks and doves. Yeah, I think those are the only bits that I've seen. But anywho, guys, stick around. Let me show you more of Monze. Remember to subscribe, share with your friends, and give this video a thumbs up. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Ciao.